D letter with 5 words. D for door. D for duck. D for doll. D for dress. D for dog.